All right, Glam. So I pretty much did a pre-poo treatment on my baby girl's hair. I went in with the
VO5 Island Coconut Conditioner.
and I pretty much applied it all over her hair, as you all see, like it is now. I'm about to just go in and show you all how I applied the product to her hair. The benefits of a pre-poo treatment is that, number one, it helps loosen and detangle those strands that get matted. As you all know, I do not wash her hair that often, and I do not detangle her hair as often. But this product I applied on, this is pretty much the finished state of it. And you all see I'm just able to glide right through with no fuss. So just continue to watch this video, and I'm just going to show you how I pre-poo her hair, being that her hair is a little matted, it's a little tangled, and she does have a little bit of knotting. It's good for me to go in with a pre-poo treatment, and I'm just going to be going in with the VO5 Island Coconut Conditioner, 99¢. And I'm just going to be applying this throughout her hair, and I'm going to let it set on for about 2-3 hours before I wash it out, so it can just loosen up that shed hair and moisturize those strands before I go in with the shampoo to wash all the product out. So I'm just taking a generous amount, and one of the things I like about these VO5 conditioners is that they are very, very watery already, so I don't have to apply water to her hair. And I'm just pretty much going in makeshift big sections and just applying the product. And if any shed hair comes out, it comes out. If it doesn't, it'll be able to come out more easily through the wash. As you all know, I don't manipulate her hair hardly any for like the full 3 to 4 weeks. When I wash, I may detangle it once or twice, but within that whole 3-4 week process, I hardly go in and detangle. And I'm just pretty much just working the product through. And as you all see, it's just gliding through real easily, and I'm just going through separating the strands. So this section right here is just pretty much done. I'm just taking, pretty big chunks of hair. Again, just applying like a nickel to a quarter size amount, depending on how much hair I grab, and just going down the hair shaft. All right, Glam. So this is pretty much the shed hair I got out. with me doing the Pre-Poo treatment. And I'm just gonna pretty much let this product set in for about 3 hours or so. So we're just about to go out and actually run some errands with her hair like this, and let the product just set in. I see a little knot right there. There we go. And just gonna take a little bit more. And like I said, that's the pretty much how I just pre-poo her hair. I just pretty much just start out with dry hair and just apply the product, you know, mainly around the midsections to the ends, and just let the product work its way in there to where it's able to do what it needs to do. And I will see you all when we get back. All right, Glam. So we are back, and I washed out the Pre-Poo treatment. I went in with the conditioner known as the
VO5 Island Coconut Conditioner.
Yes, and we love this product. First of all, it is very purse friendly. It helped go in and loosen and detangle those knots that was in her hair. Also, some of the matted areas, we were able to loosen them up, which made more of a wash day a breeze. So now we're about to go on to deep conditioning, and I'm going to record that segment. So look for an upcoming video on how I deep condition her hair. So until next time, Glams, be blessed and
Be glamorous.